The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. Ah, and lately I ain't thinking straight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aggy for those who are just joining us. And if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. And today we are going house hunting. I wanted to check a couple of houses here in Gong because I'm planning, probably if I get a really nice house, I'm planning to move out. So I wanted to carry you guys along with me, and also because, you know, my channel is about lifestyle. Like I'm going to cover a lot of things. I'll have recipes, I'll have vlogs, I'll have house hunting. I just want everybody to be able to get something to watch on my channel. So today we are going house hunting. And also I wanted to do a shout out to 2 channels because, you know, I'm also trying to support other YouTubers, and I'm also doing the shout out at the beginning of the video because I know sometimes people don't get to watch the video to the end, but I'm just hoping that you do. So today's shout out goes to Moda from MAMAZ, and I would like you guys to go and check out their channel. They're really nice. I'm gonna put the link in the description box down below. And another shout out goes on to Trying Recipes. There are really fantastic recipes there. Also go and try and check out their channel. I'm gonna put also the link in the link description below. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video, and I really do hope that you're going to get something out of it. So guys, let's go. So guys, I just wanted to update you on the benefits of living in Gong. Number one, Gong is very green. The air is fresh. It's not, how do we say, it's not crowded. Yeah. And what else? It's I think it's a really nice place to bring up children. Yeah, because it's not that crowded. Some other thing you have to know about Gong is that we have a lot of schools here. Schools are in plenty. So when you move here and you have kids, you won't have to, you know, you won't have to worry about school. I have my assistant. Unaenda wapi? Namaliziwa. Oh, kisha deposit ni how much? 50k. As in per month ni? Yeah.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. Ah, and lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. It's been a while, been a while.
also the fact that you get to enjoy an excellent view like that over there. I don't know if you guys can see Gong Hills. Yeah, that is Gong Hill. So you get to have beautiful views everywhere, especially if you live in a house on the top floor. You get to enjoy fantastic views. So Gong is really a beautiful place to come and live. Yeah, so I would urge you, if you've been thinking about coming to live in Gong, you can as well come. Yeah. So guys, I just got home and I just wanted to update you guys on some of the things that I loved about that house. So the first thing I loved about that house is the fact that it's really spacious. The second thing is the view. Yeah, like I told you guys before, Gong has really fantastic views. Like if you get a house on the top floor, you get to have a really beautiful view. And also I love the fact that it has enough parking space and a spacious kitchen. You know, it's every woman's dream to have like a spacious kitchen. So when you get to the kitchen, you tend to there's a kind of a space there which you can also use as a dining room. So it's a spacious kitchen with a dining room. Like who doesn't want that? So basically I love that house, and it's really annoying that the house isn't complete yet, but I really do hope that when the house is complete, it's gonna look really fantastic. And I really love that kitchen. Like it's really nice and it's really spacious, and also the balcony, like you get a really nice view. So guys, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly do hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends in case they're looking for a house, and in case they're planning to come to live in Gong, you can share that house. And yeah, I think that's just about it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.